Hey guys, we're in Padum today, and जब हम यहाँ पे आ रहे थे, a lot of people asked us about our riding gears, and we thought we'll make a video about the kind of mistakes we have made while buying our riding gears. We have spent close to 2 lakh rupees in the last 2 years on riding gears and luggage systems. So from people जिन्होंने बहुत सारी mistakes करी है while buying riding gears, here are 5 tips for you guys that you can avoid while buying your riding gear. Before we get into the kind of mistakes we have made, let's talk about riding gears चाहिए क्यों होते हैं. The first obvious reason is hard impact से बचने के लिए. Even if you're a good rider, you need riding gears in India because the conditions are not perfect. Second thing is environment से बचने के लिए भी riding gears आपकी help करते हैं. So especially if you're touring for example, अगर आप 800 kilometers in a day कर सकते हैं without riding gears can help you in stretching it to 1000 or 1100. So it helps you touring in a better appropriate manner. Third thing which is an overlooked thing is कि राइडिंग गेयर्स आपको अपस्किल करने में भी हेल्प करते हैं. सो इफ़ यू आर इन अ कंट्रोल्ड एनवायरनमेंट, द राइट राइडिंग गेयर विल गिव यू द कॉन्फिडेंस टू पुश योर सेल्फ फर्दर एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू अपस्किल योर सेल्फ. सो द फर्स्ट एडवाइस आई हैव इज प्रायोरिटाइज प्रॉपरली. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्ट्रेट अवे जंप टू जैकेट्स जब वो राइडिंग गेयर्स खरीद रहे होते हैं, मे बी बिकॉज इट लुक्स कूल. बट आपको दो चीज़ें कंसिडर करनी चाहिए. वन, कंसिडर द प्रोबेबिलिटी कि आपके बॉडी पार्ट को चोट लगेगी. सेकंड, कंसिडर द प्रोबेबिलिटी कि अगर किसी बॉडी पार्ट को चोट लगती है तो क्या वो फेटल हो सकती है या नहीं. एग्जाम्पल बीइंग, सर को अगर चोट लगती है तो वो फेटल हो सकता है, बट द प्रोबेबिलिटी कि आपके एंकल को चोट लगेगी वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा होती है. स्पेंड योर बेस्ट मनी ऑन द हेलमेट. मे बी गेट ग्लव्स ऑल्सो, देन जम्प टू बूट्स. आफ्टर boots you can jump to your knee protection, elbow protection, you can jump to other tertiary items, but helmet, boots, gloves, these three things are very important in my opinion. Another mistake we made was we ignored small brands in the beginning. जब हम अपना राइडिंग गियर कलेक्ट कर रहे थे, we straight away jump to Rhinox and BBG and international brands, but don't do that. Relatively lesser known brands are also great, and there are two reasons for that. One, they are hungry for the market, so they are selling you 90% of the product at 60% of the price. Second, when you talk to them for a resolution, when you talk to them for supply issues, you talk to a person who's invested into the business. You don't talk to a person who's picking up a call at the call center. My personal experience has been tremendously great with Vayatara, Rager, even BBG. I've had good experience with Bikerati, Solace, and other smaller brands also. So do not ignore these small brands. BBG से याद आया, I have a BBG Voyager jacket that I don't use anymore. So I know there are people out there who are trying to save their money for a riding jacket or a riding gear. If you guys want to borrow it for a ride, take it from me, give it back to me. Borrow it, use it, wash it, give it back so the next person can use it. I have a few other things also that I can lend to people. I'll put the details in the comments. So the third mistake I made is I didn't budget for the smaller things. You spend a lot of money on jackets, boots, pants, gloves, helmet. That is right. But there are a lot of small things also जिसका budget आपको पहले ही बना लेना चाहिए. These small things are cheap, but when added up, they make for a lot of money. You need waterproof socks, you need rain liners, you need a puncher kit. These are the kind of things you need for your ride, and this is true for people who are into touring. Fourth mistake, know your purpose. I didn't know my purpose when I was buying my riding gears. अगर आपको अपना purpose पता है before you buy your riding gears, that's gonna save you a lot of money. जब मैंने अपना riding gear collect करना start करा, I thought I'll do only weekend rides, I'll do short rides. That didn't happen to be the case. I started touring, and when I started touring, मुझे अपनी jacket दोबारा खरीदनी पड़ी, मुझे अपना luggage system specially दोबारा खरीदना पड़ा, and therefore I lost a lot of money in that process. The fifth and final advice I have is think beyond motorcycle brands. जैसे रेन लाइनर के लिए I went to Decathlon instead of Rhinox, and what you get is 80% of the product at 30% of the price. I think I bought it for 400, the lower liner. There are a lot of things on Amazon जो बहुत cheap मिलती है that you can use for your riding purposes. So you don't always have to stick with BBG, Rhinox, Rages or Vayatara of the world. So guys, these were tips coming from the kind of mistakes we have made while buying our riding gears. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I keep making such videos for biking enthusiasts. Thank you and see you in the next video.